Hi friends, happy Wednesday. So since we're talking about fruits and vegetables, today I figured how about we make some Play-Doh? But not your typical Play-Doh. We're going to make orange scented Play-Doh. Are you ready? Let's get started. As for materials, you need a large bowl, 2 cups of flour, a cup of salt, 1/4, a cup of boiling water, 3/4, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, food coloring, orange of course, an orange extract, and a lemon. Now, why do we need a lemon? Well, typically people use cream of tartar for their Play-Doh, but lately a lot of people don't have that in their home. So you can use 3 tablespoons of lemon juice as a substitute for cream of tartar. Let's get started. The first thing you're gonna do is start with all your dry ingredients. So the dry ingredients consist of flour, 2 cups of flour, and 1/4 cup of salt. So we're gonna add our flour in. One and 2. Then we're gonna add 1/4 cup of salt. There you go. We're gonna stir up our dry ingredients slightly, and then we're gonna add all our wet ingredients. Our wet ingredients consist of our cup of water, 3/4. Pour that in. Then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Pour this. Voila. And I've already squeezed out 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. We're gonna add that to our mixture. Stir that. Now we're gonna add our food coloring, but I don't have orange. So what do? I do have red and I do have yellow. Oh, if I put it together, that makes orange. Good job. So we're gonna add a few drops of yellow and a few drops of red. After adding our food coloring, we're gonna add a couple drops of your orange extract. And then we're gonna start to stir. Now friends, if you think that your Play-Doh isn't thickening quick enough, you can add a little bit of flour that'll cause it to thicken up. Oh my goodness, to thicken up. Wow. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells amazing. Keep stirring. All your ingredients mixed together. And then, once you finish stirring your Play-Doh, you're gonna add your Play-Doh to a floured surface. So I just have a little tray and I just put a little bit of flour on it. You're gonna grab your Play-Doh. And you're gonna knead your Play-Doh. Might be a little sticky, but once you get the flour onto it, it'll start thickening up. Wow. Wow, look at this. This is so cool. Don't forget to smell it. Oh, it smells just like an orange. So friends, you don't always have to buy Play-Doh. You can always make your own Play-Doh and it'll be even better. Have a great day, friends. Bye.